Well, good morning. It's the 8th of September. And I've hiked about there's sunset in the background. Another hiker. And I was only hiking half an hour or so. And there's Earl there in the dark jacket right there. Yep, there's Earl and Lori right there waving, and they are doing trail magic here on the trail. Complete surprise, of course, and all the more delightful for being a surprise. I've already had 2 eggs and 2 pancakes, so there's always room for pancakes and eggs and juice and fruit and everything. Very delightful, very generous people. They spent the night here. They were here under that awning when they got dumped on with the hailstorm that I got stuck in yesterday while I was hiking. Some more trail angels coming up, unloading bacon that are going to be operating from this same station here. So I think I'm going to hang around and have some of that as well. Blueberries. Yum. Yum. This could eat up all the whole day, so to speak. Very sweet. These are just like, oh, perfect. And they're all up and down this section of trail. Just like miles of this stuff. Okay. Day's kind of clearing out a little bit. Still in the fog, but it's not raining. So if the blueberries don't slow me down, I should be able to get some miles done. I think we have a magic hour in the making today. Sun filtering through the trees. Yeah, I think this is going to be good.